Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable Dyslexia font in Little Nightmares 3. Let's begin. First of all, we want to go into the settings. Now you would think that you probably want to go into accessibility, but actually that is not correct. Instead, we want to go into UHD and Menus. And right here at the very top we have Dyslexia font. As you can see, by default it is obviously enabled, and if we enable it, it looks something like this. And now every single letter is nicely spaced out and it's just easier to read. However, if you want to improve the readability even further, you can always enable or increase the menu text size to, for example, something like this, just so it is easier to see. But you probably want to focus on example tutorial, which is a text bar that can appear in-game, and if you want to increase this, you can always do that. Between 1 to 1.0 to 1.5, like this. And yeah, actually that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.